my YouTubers. This is Red Dragon Moto here. Don't do much videos, and I should, but what I want to do is show you guys how to replace a clutch cable on a 2009 GSX-R 1000, otherwise known as a K9. This should work for all K9 series, but I'm not 100% sure. I just know on my bike. So removing the cable here, you can see mine is really frayed, and yeah, it's pretty bad. I caught it just on the last strand there, literally last strand. So anyways, to remove it, it's fairly easy. You could do this yourself. All you need is a couple of tools. I mean, this, you just turn this and then basically get it down so you loosen up so you can take it off your handle. And over here, you just follow the route. So you follow the route here. I already pulled this off already, so I just put it back just to show you guys. Basically pull it out there, boom, follow the route in here, and basically it goes all the way over to that side there. You can kind of see the nut right there behind these wires. You don't really have to take off the gas tank, but you could if you really wanted to. So this is the other side of it. I've already removed the cable on this side. It goes right here. Basically comes from underneath, but you have to go around like this and go under. Okay, so that's basically how that works. You don't have to take off the gas tank. You just lift it up and then get to that bolt. Where is it? Where are you? Right there. So that bolt right there. Let's see if I can try to point it out. So this bolt right down here is what you need to do. It's a 12mm, so you need to loosen it with a monkey wrench. Pretty much that's the only tool you guys really need, except for, you know, obviously taking apart the rest of it. I took out my filter just to clean it out, but pretty much that's it. So removal is very easy, and installation, just reverse the removal. Alright guys, any questions, concerns, feel free to comment. I'll try to answer the best I can. Thanks.